This 2017 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra Lite 172E is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Myers, FL 33908 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.